Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn and Grow. In today's video, we will see the phonic sounds of the English alphabets. Every English alphabet has a particular phonic sound in Hindi, and by using these phonic sounds, you can make your child to read and write any word in English within ease. So, let's start the video. The phonic sound of the alphabet A is A. 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 Apple. Usually what happens, we teach our kids as A apple. Instead of that, we should teach them with the phonic sound of that particular alphabet. Like A apple, A ant, A airplane. Next, the phonic sound of B is B. Now this is B, and when we put a halant in B, it becomes B. 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 Ball. Ball. The phonic sound of C is K. 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 Cat. K. Cat. The phonic sound of D is D. 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 Duck. D. The phonic sound of E is A. A. Egg. A. The phonic sound of F is F. While writing, we write as F, but the sound comes as F. Fish. Fish. F. The phonic sound of G is G. 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 Goat. G. The phonic sound of H is H. While writing, we write as H, but the sound comes as hut. The phonic sound of I is E. E, as in igloo. E. The phonic sound of J is J. J, as in jug. J. The phonic sound of K is K. 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 Kite. K. The phonic sound of L is L. While writing, we write as L, but the sound comes as L. L. Lamp. The phonic sound of M is M, but while writing we write as M, but the sound is M. M. Mug. M. In the coming videos, I will also share with you people about how to teach phonic sounds to your kids with actions. The phonic sound of the alphabet N is N. We write it as N, but the sound comes as N, as in nest. N. The sound of M is and the sound of N is So there is a difference between and Next, the phonic sound of O is O. O, as in orange. O. The phonic sound of P is P. P. While writing, we write it as P, but the sound is P. P. Pet. P. The phonic sound of Q is Qu. 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 Queen. Qu. The phonic sound of R is R. While writing, we write it as R, but the sound is R. Rat. R. The phonic sound of S is S. While writing, we write it as S, but the sound is S. Sun. S. The phonic sound of T is T. T. Top. T. The phonic sound of U is A, as in earn. The phonic sound of V is W. W. Van. W. The phonic sound of W is W. Open your mouth little bit and say the sound W, as in well. Well. W. The phonic sound of X is X. X. X-ray. X-ray. X. The phonic sound of Y is Y. Y. Yak. Y. And last, the phonic sound of Z is Z. Z. Zero. Z. So friends, these phonic sounds are very easy, and with the perfection of these sounds, your kid can write and read any word in English easily. If you find this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe my channel Learn and Grow, so that you can get the notifications of the new coming videos. In the coming video, I will tell you how to teach these phonic sounds to your kids with action. Till then, bye-bye. Take care. Stay safe, stay healthy.